Hello, friends. Wish you a happy, healthy life wherever you are in the world. And I'm so glad you're here to watch this video. I would like to cook onion omelet, which is very simple with very few ingredients. So what we need is some onion that, as you can see, you can chop like I've done, or do it smaller size if you like. And we need some parsley, fresh coriander. Now we need about 3 eggs, so I've already cracked them, and we're going to mix them and add a couple of tablespoons of milk, and use the handheld electric mixer to get them all ready to be used. And it's yeah, that's about it. Okay, that's good enough. Now we are going to add some oil into the pan. That's olive oil that I'm adding, spraying so that I don't use too much oil. And then add our onion. We wait for it to get kind of soft and close to caramel color. Now the onion is almost ready. We are going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Now we mix everything. As I mentioned, there are very few ingredients, so it's a very simple omelette to make. Naturally, you can add any spice you like if you want to. Okay, now I'm going to add some lemon zest because this is going to give it a good aroma and taste. So I use 1 lemon and add the zest to the onion. Right, I just mix them together and then turn the heat off, because the onion is almost ready. Okay, that's good. Now we turn the heat off, and on the other pan I'm going to spray some oil and make sure it's hot enough. Not yet. Okay, now that the pan is hot, I'm gonna add the egg. We're gonna wait for it to get a bit solid. Now it looks okay, so we are going to add the onion in the middle. Try to avoid the edges because we don't want it to overflow from the sides. Now we will add some coriander and parsley. Fresh coriander, fresh parsley. This also depends on how much you like to add, whether you actually would like to add any or not. Now we can flip the sides. I'm going to flip one side. Oops. Try again. Okay, that works. We push it down to make sure that it stays there. Now flip the other side. Push down. Now we are going to turn it all over and wait for it to get settled and the sides that we flip stick together. Okay, now this is the omelet, and I put some pickle on the left side and some fruity sauce on the right hand side. That these two go very well with the omelet, with the onion omelet. Thanks for watching.